Hey everybody, welcome to Watson's Wagons. I was going to postpone this type of mail call because I wanted to wait for all of the stuff to come in so I could give recognition to everybody who's been helping me out. Some of you know I put an all call out there looking for 88 or so license plates because I'm going to line the ceiling that goes from the shop to the man cave. So that whole stairwell section where that little bit of that ceiling is, I want it to be all license plates. So anyhow, I put a shout out there to see if anybody had any extra plates that they're not using or whatever. And then the response, it's just been overwhelming. So the plates have started to come in, and Mr. Snodgrass was the first one that came in, and he said, "Hey Mike, I got some stuff here," and sent me well, hang on a second here, because it came all the way from Mesa, Arizona. Yeah. Anyhow, so he's got a Washington plate in here. You know, we got New Jersey, Arizona. So we got a couple of cool plates. And if you can just imagine these things stacked nice and tight in both directions, okay, filling that whole ceiling up. So, yeah, hey, they got here safely, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so you will forever be known as the first set that arrived to Watson's Wagons. Yeah. Anyhow, so today I come home, there was another box in the mail, and I didn't know these were coming. And if I did, because I've been talking to so many people that it's really hard to remember unless I go back in and check all of my messages. But I got a box today from Virginia, from Chris Foster, and Chris is connected with us online, and he was deployed. And so he sent me a bunch of license plates from Iowa, and they're pretty cool. All right, look at 1965 antique tags in there. There's Colorado, humma. Where else we got here? I saw one in here that was pretty cool. 1967. Yep, that's the year I was born. I shouldn't talk so loud when I'm doing these mail calls so it gets my dog all riled up. So anyhow, he like loaded me up, dude. I'm like, geez, I'm going to give me a couple of feet worth of coverage there. But he included a nice note. And the note says, Mike, here are some plates for you. All the Iowa plates came from his 1947 CJ2A. Also used a towel for packing that he used to wrap these plates up with. It was pretty well packed. And he says, I thought you might like it. I'm like, And I'm gonna open with caution. So I'm opening it up and I'm checking it out, and he's right, man, I freaking love it. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. So anyhow, he's like, hey, keep making the videos when you can. I enjoy them. And he refers to those things as he's working on his project. So it really makes me happy that folks are able to use whatever it is I'm showing to help them get through their project. I mean, it's really the intent of what I'm doing. And I know it's full of hijinks and weird stuff, and I make stupid faces and go, yeah, and all that, but that's just, you know, that's just me acting up. But anyhow, the bottom line is you're able to use what I'm trying to teach. And I don't know everything, so I got to reach out to other people as well. Anyhow, he states in here that he really looked forward to those things on his last deployment. Work on them Jeeps, ! Chris Foster. So that really does my heart good. And to know that our troops, as they're serving overseas in a hostile environment, still have access to Facebook and YouTube and things like that, and are able to watch these videos. And it's just cool, man. So if I'm able to help, bring a little piece of home into your world while you're out there defending all of us, and for others who are less fortunate, dude, that's cool, and I appreciate your service so much. I really do. So I gotta show you guys the towel that he sent. All right, it came with a couple of hummas. Yeah, U.S. Army, baby. U.S. Army. All right, I hold that dear to my heart. Proud of my service. Are you guys ready for the piece de resistance? This is good stuff, man. I don't care who you are. Are you ready? Are you standing by? Check it. I gotta back up so you can read it. Caution, stay 100 meters back or you will be shot. This is cool, dude. Now, like, I want to stick this at the end of my driveway, and you know, it's gonna be like a Watson's Wagons demilitarized zone, you know, like the DMZ. So I have 384 feet worth of driveway. You come up that driveway and you see this sign, you better be thinking twice, pal, because we're packing heat in this household. So, in all seriousness, this is cool. So I am definitely gonna put this through the wash. We're gonna get it cleaned, and this is gonna find a spot on the wall, in the man cave, or in the shop. So, dude, how cool is this? Thank you so much. So anyhow, I'm going to, we are expecting a lot of plates to come in. Just so many people have contacted me from the garage shop, man cave page, from the Watson's Wagons page and others. I'm probably gonna hold back on doing a whole bunch of mail calls until I get all those license plates mounted. I am gonna record the progress on YouTube so people can see how I'm prepping the walls, how I'm hanging those license plates up, and be able to see the finished product. Because as you know, or may not know, I'm doing a man cave series on YouTube to just kind of take you along for the ride. So I encourage you to watch and subscribe. I think it's this way now. I think there's a subscribe button on the YouTube channel that's got my little logo on it, and follow us and share it with your friends, and give us some thumbs up, man. We need some thumbs up on those videos. Other than that, it's Valentine's Day. I hope you did it right by mama now and your girlfriends. But I gotta get going because there's some lasagna cooking in there, and it's time for me to go give my lady some love. Yeah. Have a good night. Thanks for watching. Come to Papa.